And we're back. This is Rob here with another project. We're starting the rust removal of the Dietz Los Angeles City high-low that I purchased just before the end of the year. And we have a nice big jug of Evaporust to go. Get ready to go. Here, it's amazing stuff, really. If you haven't used it or are familiar with it, it's wonderful stuff. It's a magic wand in a bottle. It really is. It's non-toxic. It will not burn or harm your eyes or skin. It is safe to use. It's water soluble. You can rinse it off with water. It's biodegradable, so it's green. It's safe to use. You can just dump it down the sink and it doesn't harm anything. And the best of all, it will not disturb paint. So if you have something that's painted that has rust coming through, it will only take care of the rust and say, you don't paint, you're good. Leave you alone. So all the painted markings on this fount with the number 5 and everything, that will stay. So I'm really excited about that. So I'm going to take the globe out, take the burner plate off, and also the burner itself, and start slowly processing this lantern for rust removal. I think it's going to look really good. I'm excited. I have other Dietz high-lows that have a nice slight coat of rust, and I will leave them that way. I think they look good that way, but this one I want to preserve. I want it to be a little cleaner, so that's what we're doing. We're going to go for it, and it won't hurt the patina. It will make the metal shinier, but it will slowly get a nice aged look to it over time, so I'm not worried about it. Anyways, that's what we're doing out here today, this rainy Monday afternoon. So you all out there, stay dry, stay safe, don't float away, and I'll be back again with another video with the after effects of the Evaporust. Okay, take care, God bless, bye.